guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Guess what day it is? I think I say this every Mask Monday. Nice. So, as you can tell, I already have my mask on, and that is because I have a lot of stuff that I want to show you in this video. I have some Ipsy purchases that I want to share with you, and then I have a box from Influenster that I am really excited to get into. So, let me tell you about the mask that I'm wearing really quick. This is one that I got from my daughter, and it is the Glam Up Nourishing Shea Butter Sheet Mask. And that's what that looks like. I did wash and tone my face before putting this on. This is one that you leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you just pat in the remaining essence, which you guys, like I say, every Monday I'm all about because I don't want to take off a sheet mask and then have to wash my face again. That drives me crazy. I know, it's a stupid thing to get hung up on, but I really appreciate the ones that you can just pat in afterward. I'm going to put on my glasses. I apologize in advance for the glare. I know it drives you guys crazy, but I want to be able to read about these with you because you all know Ipsy items are small, and I really don't even know what I'm going to be finding in this box. I do know that it is a skincare line, so let's go ahead and start with this one. For those of you that are not familiar with Influenster, it is just a website that you can go to. They offer you products to review. You post them on their website. It's just like a product review community forum type thing. They do send me surveys to fill out every month, and that's how they determine whether or not I'll be a good fit for their campaigns. I honestly don't even remember filling one out for this, but I'm not going to complain when somebody wants to send me a skincare line for review. It is free. Like I said, they do send me these products free for my honest review. I have not used these yet, obviously, because I'm still opening it, but I will let you guys know what I think of them after I have used them for a while. Okay. I will post a link down below as well for Influencer, so if you guys want to go fill out your own surveys and see what kind of products they offer you, go for it. And as always, let me know what you get because I'm nosy and I like to see. Okay, so this is the ACO Simply Effective skincare line. It's a really pretty box. Okay, here's what the inside looks like. And it says, known in Scandinavia for our skincare expertise, ACO has pioneered clean beauty standards since 1939, becoming one of today's leading Swedish skincare brands. With thoughtful simplicity, we carefully select ingredients that work in balance with your skin, helping it to be its best. Clean, effective, vegan, and cruelty-free. All right, they did give us a little card. With Influencer, they always send you a card, and then they have information on the back about how to get online and post to their site, to post your reviews and stuff to their site. So, there's a lot more in here than I thought there was going to be. All right, so the first thing we have is ACO Sensitive Face Cream. Restores skin balance with prebiotics, deeply moisturizes dry skin, soothes, and reduces irritation. There's the box. You know we gotta open it because Chaos Jen loves the packaging. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. Here we go. And no safety seal, so let's smell it. Nothing, not scented, so that's cool. With sensitive skin, you typically don't get scented anyways, so awesome, awesome. Next, we've got a clear bottle. Can you see that? Let me take the wrap off of that one. All right, and this is what it looks like. It's got the pump at the top, so I'm kind of curious to find out what it is. It says ACO Sensitive Micellar Gel, restores skin balance with prebiotics, which I guess they're all going to say that. This is for all skin types, and it says gently cleanses face, eyes, and removes makeup, moisturizes, and soothes. So this is like the cleanser portion. It's kind of hard to see. Next, we have ACO Sensitive Face Fluid. This deeply moisturizes skin, soothes, and reduces irritation. And this is for normal to combination skin. Oh, I see what we're doing. Gotcha. Oh, no, it's different. Don't listen to me. All right, let's look at it. Here's what the packaging is on the outside. Then on the inside, we've got this. There are no instructions in English. So I guess I'll be using this little code down here. And hopefully I will find some English instructions. And then the last thing that we got is the ACO Sensitive Eye Cream. Did I show you this? This is a pretty decent size too. Wowzers. And it's got the pointed tip applicator. Very cool. So I guess I will be looking up the instructions online to see how to use these, which is fine. You guys see that? Like, it's in like 3 different languages, but none of them are English. Cool. All right. I mean, I'm sure that they're pretty self-explanatory. I just want to know a little bit more about them. The nose piece is weird on this, but it's okay. Not a big deal. Let me show you again real quick what I got in this box from Influenster. We have the Sensitive Micellar Gel. This is the cleanser from what I can tell. Then we've got the Sensitive Face Cream, and this is for dry to very dry skin, which is perfect for winter. I do have combination skin, but it's hit or miss. You never know like what it's going to be. So hopefully the combination of that and then this Sensitive Face Fluid for normal to combination skin will be exactly what I need. And then we've got the Sensitive Eye Cream, which is fantastic. All right. I'm really excited to give that a try. I will probably either put something on Facebook or Instagram for before and after with this. But I do plan on checking these out. I'm excited. It's about time I got something like this because so far with Influenster, I love the stuff that I get. I've gotten hair products. Y'all saw I got a loaf of bread. That was fun. I'll post that video up in the corner. It was cool. And it was really good bread too. And then I got a Vox box from OtterBox, and they sent me this entire line of phone things, phone products. Like they gave me the, well, I don't know. They gave me all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to go into it, but it was perfect for my teenage son's phone. So now I have something for me. Ta-da! That is awesome. All right, now let me show you the few things that I got from Ipsy, and we're going to get this mask off and get started with our day. I don't even remember what I got. I've been going crazy with Ipsy this month for some reason. All right. No prices to be found, so I will pull out the old phone and post a price down at the bottom of the screen so you guys know what I paid for these fantastic items. The first one here is a little duo that I like to call. I'm just kidding. Did y'all think I was going to start singing? I don't sing a whole lot on this channel yet. I need to work on that. I really should. Anyways, we've got some Island Mint Lip Balm, which I'll probably give to the kiddos or maybe put on my desk at work or something. But the reason I got this set is because I wanted this Infinity Sleeping Mask. My lips get so dry, and not just in the winter. They get dry all the time. So I'm really excited to give this a try. It is unscented, but that is what it looks like. And then I'm sure this is scented, but I'm not going to open it because I haven't decided 100% what I'm going to do with it. I do like to throw chapsticks in my giveaways too, just as a little side item. So who knows, maybe one of you will get it. The next thing I got, I don't even know what this is. Here's what it looks like. It's always nice when you buy stuff and you forget what you got. So it's like a little gift for yourself. A surprise gift. I knew it was coming, but... So the first thing that we have is the Kinsey Darling Daydream. Oh, it's a perfume. Now I remember. Here's what the packaging looks like. I've been kind of into perfumes lately. I've been getting a lot of them in my subscription boxes, and now I'm finding that I want to buy them on my own too. So, and I love the fact that it's... Oh. Look at this. 30% off. There's their website information. Go check it out. Use code KEN30 at checkout and save 30%. All right. Anyways, I was saying I loved this one because it is like the perfect size just to throw in my purse or my lunchbox even, because sometimes I don't take my purse into work. So it does have a little mister at the top, and I don't have anything on. Oh, this reminds me of something. Something from my past. Maybe Bath and Body Works scent. Oh, it's floral, but it's fresh and it's light. Ooh, I like this. Wow, let me see if I can find some scent notes on here for you. Of course not. Sorry, guys. And then the additional item that I got, because when you can save money buying something as a set, why not? This is by Milk, and it says commodity. I'm thinking it might be another perfume now that I've sprayed that one on. I don't know. Scent Space Expressive. Well, now I wish I wouldn't have put so much of that other one on, because how am I going to smell this? It is really cute packaging, and it's tiny too. Look, I love it. Try and smell it, we'll see. Oh yes, this is a lot more musky than the other one, which I love as well. There's not a whole lot of scents out there that I don't like. Okay, it's kind of an earthy, musky smell. I have a feeling it's one of those that changes after you put it on. You know how once it absorbs and it kind of interacts with your body's oils and stuff, it changes. It's interesting. I'm not 100% sure that I like it now. We'll see. We will see on this one. Might be going in a giveaway. Maybe. I don't know. But I just sprayed it in the air, so that's not a fair assessment. I'm not willing to say that I don't like this. I'm not willing to. I need to give it a good, fair try with no other perfumes and actually put it on. All right, and then last, looks like I got some face masks. And I've gotten these in a previous Ipsy before, and I love them. So I'm assuming that's why I got these. All right, now these are the ones that I have tried before. They are by Papa Recipe. Here's the first one. And this one says, it is a Bombay Pepta Ampule Honey Mask Pack. And that's what they both say. And it just says right for skin at the bottom, so yeah. And then there's the second one. These are fantastic. I was very impressed with them. So really excited to have a chance to buy them again. And then these, I don't even know what they are. Bubble Up Peeling Pad. There's 5 pads in each package. That's what it looks like. And it says, easy to use disposable dual-sided pad. Exfoliates the skin to get a brightening appearance. Removes blackheads by deep cleansing the pores. Soft and gentle on the skin. All right, well, I'm going to open it so I can show you what they look like. I thought these were face masks too, but they're not. It does have a resealable package, so that's cool. And there's 5 in each one, so I've got 10 altogether. It says to use them 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so there's the dual-sided. Here's the exfoliating side, and then this must be the soap. And then it's got an opening for you to put your fingers in, like this, and then you just wash like this. Turn it around and... Not scented. Yes, I smell everything, hence the perfume. So yeah, that's really cool. That's exciting, isn't it? I think I'll probably save one and then put one in a giveaway because I don't know how often I'll use them, but I'm definitely willing to give them a try. Bubble Up Peeling Pad. Awesome. All right, and there's my last set. All right, guys, we are right at 20 minutes. So let me go ahead and get this mask off and I will be right back. Whew, that one felt really good. Really good. There's not a whole lot of essence left over for me to pat in, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean that it's bad. That's just, wow. My skin feels nice and moisturized and plumped up, so I don't feel like a dehydrated prune at 8 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I called myself a dehydrated prune, but I'm not anymore. I'm not. I'm moisturized now. Anyways, thank you all so much for joining me today for this Mask Monday. Like I said, I will keep you updated, most likely on Instagram with that ACO skincare line. I'm really excited to get started on that one. I hope you all have a fantastic week. If you haven't already, if you give me the thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to be part of my YouTube family, guys, I would love the chance to get to know you better. All you have to do is hit that picture of me down in the corner or the red subscribe button down below. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye!